Welcome back to the venue of cryptocurrencies. Algo, one of the yield farming projects that ranks in the top 30 cryptocurrencies, has increased trade volume. However, this could increase the selling pressure. The drop in price and market capitalization signals that Algo is in the buy zone. Stay tuned to find out more. Today, here at How to Crypto, we will be talking about Algorand. If you want to stay up to date with all the crypto news, you need to like and subscribe. Don't miss anything. Be aware of bulls and bears in the future. Silvio Micali, an MIT professor who brought together a large team, formed Algorand. Algorand is mainly composed of academics and scholars, unlike other programs that comprise more developers taking charge of the projects. Silvio Micali also received the Turing Award for the same. Algorand teams are based in Boston, where MIT is located. Arlington Capital created a $100 million investment fund to incentivize companies to build applications on it, and MAPay integrated with Algorand to reconstruct the healthcare payment system in the Bahamas. Algorand is a blockchain network that aims to create a borderless economy using a decentralized, unregulated public blockchain. In other words, Algorand needs an architecture with a blockchain that encourages us to be involved. The framework is based on the core concepts of accessibility, immediate process, direct use, adoption, and efficiency. In blockchain technology, Algorand is facing even one of the most significant challenges. This is how to create a rapid and flexible network without losing decentralization. Algorand is built to satisfy the growing crypto rhetoric of scalability, security, and decentralization. Blockchain networks have launched as an alternative to mainstream or centralized institutions. Crypto is at its foundation, and firms building on the blockchain aim to challenge preferential networks by increasing the existing market deliverables. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to facilitate a medium and exchange, and Ethereum was created to enhance decentralized application usage through smart contracts. Projects developed in the 2017 to 2018 era strive to establish decentralized networks that improve on many features, mainly security and scalability. Algorand has developed a scalable solution that encompasses all blockchain characteristics and facilitates faster transaction outputs. The use cases of Algorand have drawn the attention of capital investment funds. Arlington Capital, managed by Michael Arrington, created the Arrington Algorand Growth Fund to support companies that build decentralized applications on the network. Algorand Pure Proof of Stake facilitates faster transactions through the two-layer model, the latter running data-packed smart contracts without hindering transaction speed. Arlington Capital seeks to make the future of finance more easily accessible, while Osprey Funds formed the Osprey Algorand Trust to increase exposure to a promising technology by institutional investors. While both investments have different goals in how their investments are put to use, they both recognize the technological innovation of the ecosystem. Algorand is not stagnant in development, and its ecosystem is set to facilitate access to over $800 million in healthcare costs in Bermuda. According to a report, MAPay, a global decentralized payment firm, will build its stablecoin infrastructure on the Algorand network. More so, the interplay between companies seeks to increase accountability and lower transaction costs for the Bahamas healthcare sector. Additionally, the Bahamas will improve its regulatory framework to attract more disruptive technology applications. However, on the flip side, the decentralized network and application business model is still a dilemma, as it does not iterate who is financially benefiting. Integrating blockchain and cryptocurrencies into our everyday life is a habit-forming process which takes time. Many cryptocurrency projects have shown promises and potential applications, yet they did not amount to much aside from pure price speculation. Algorand's integration with MAPay constitutes a multitude of blocks to increase the usability of the network proportionally. Algorand partnered with Bnext, a Spanish neobank, to improve the remittance network in Europe and Latin America. The partnership emphasizes Algorand's high-performance blockchain. The ecosystem is developing to incorporate emerging functions to allow better blockchain interoperability and use cases. Yieldly, a DeFi platform built on Algorand's framework, announced the Yieldly bridges that facilitate interconnectivity between other networks such as Binance, Ethereum, or Polkadot. To that end, the Algorand ecosystem is maturing as more companies identify the benefits of using their network. From 2017 to 2021, the market has matured. The market rhetoric on Algorand is that it is building the future of finance, which in the eyes of many is inclining towards decentralized finance. A Reddit post discussing the future of the network highlighted how Algorand seeks to mediate the movement of banks and financial institutions into a new era. Growing exposure to Algo, the native token of Algorand, and projects built on the ecosystem aids in generating more awareness for the scalable, secure, and decentralized network. The revolutionary Pure POS, which implements cryptographic sortition, adds the demanded level of security on the blockchain. In June 2019, Algorand hosted an ICO auction and earned over $60 million, selling 25,000 tokens at $2.40. The start of the ICO mainnet happened to coincide with the ICO date. However, it is only the first time that Algorand has said that 600 million tokens are auctioned every year using the same Dutch auction scheme. The overall turnover of 10 billion algos will be completed. Sadly, the token didn't last long over the summer for those who invested in the ICO. Algo was valued at $0.393337 by September 1, 2019, a 47th position based on a $130 million market capitalization. If the price were $2.40 at the ICO, the token would be $690 million, putting it in 18th position. But the past is the past. Algorand started its journey with a practical trade value of $2.89 on June 20th, according to CoinMarketCap. The token began to drop dramatically as its original initial point and lowered to $1.43 by the end of July. Moreover, as the Algo bears ruled, the digital currency began to slump. Then, by the end of September, the token fell sharply to 18 cents. The token sold at 23 cents to end 2019 in reaction to some price variations. Algo kept trading in January at 21 cents on a bearish level. By the end of February, the price recovered significantly to 45 cents and dropped surprisingly to 12 cents by mid-March as the cryptocurrency market collapsed despite the outbreak of COVID-19. The token reached 65 cents dramatically later and declared a degree of resistance in mid-August. In December, Algorand went at 33 cents to finish 2020. Till then, the prices of the coin are dramatically increasing, or we can say decreasing. At the time of writing, the value of one algo is around $1.14, with a price drop percentage of 1.37% in the last 24 hours. Let us look at the future price predictions for Algorand to get a better idea for investing. Algorand price prediction 2021. After a bearish trend, the exchange value of Algo was $0.37 in 2021. The price began to improve later as the token led an upward path. The price will increase if Algorand focuses on the development of its platform and the optimization of apps. If the demand for the coin is below, the price will fall as low as 40 cents. The maximum Algo price could be $6 by the end of 2021. Algo price prediction 2022. Algorand will start trading with $6.5 in the year 2022, or the token could worsen. The team should focus on enhancing the protocol and user base. The digital currency could hit up to $10 at the end of 2022. Algorand price prediction 2025. Algo will emerge on several trading platforms over the next 5 years, and the price is projected to increase. With certain partnerships with other initiatives and startups, the community can draw users and marketers. It should also improve the platform's security and focus on accountability. If the bearish trend lasts longer, the token will fall. Algo is expected to trade $22 at the end of 5 years. Coin arbitrage Algorand price prediction. Algorand shows a promising development and may be holding it over the next few years. Let's look at Coin Arbitrage's standard view on how the forecasting agency thinks about this coin. At the end of 2021, the price of Algorand could be $2.4578 as per Coin Arbitrage. The highest Algo price could hit $7.9548 within the next 3 years. Algorand price prediction by Ripple Coin News. If Algorand continuously concentrates on new developments, it could touch a high price. It is a rare token that provides scalability and safety that will make up the marketers' minds. Our analysts at Ripple Coin News think that Algo is a very promising investment for 2021 and beyond. The peak Algo price may be $20 by the end of 2025. Implementing the Algorand ecosystem on a global level is not only dependent on the number of partnerships and fundings the company achieves. Interoperability is a crucial element of blockchain success. Additionally, while crypto is generating more widespread attention, it is nowhere near the transaction volume of credit card providers. Now that we have a basic understanding of the future of the market and how Algorand will perform in the future, we could gather some figures and work with that and invest in the same. But before that, let us take a look at how to buy and store Algorand. Algo is listed at famous exchanges such as Binance, MXC, and BitZ. The token is also used in many other businesses, such as Huobi Global, OKX, Coinbase Pro, and BitMEX. There are large volumes in these exchanges that are well organized and reduce reliability for any exchange. Once you get your hands on the Algo token, you can take them from the exchange and store them in any hardware wallet. The reason we're recommending hardware wallets is that they're the most secure way to store your cryptocurrencies. The mainnet deployed very rapidly, and the newly launched codebase, which was well documented and supported by a substantial technical development team, has been rated acceptable. So there you have it, and with that we've come to the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed the video, and let us know in the comments how much your crypto will be worth next year. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you tomorrow at How to Crypto with more crypto updates.